Hi folks, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the second bot on the tactic of ambushing an enemy piece that was not in direct contact. So a quick analysis of this bot. Red would have one chariot, one cannon, one horse, 3 pawns, and a full guard. There was already a cannon at the corner preparing to attack, and the red chariot was now targeting the black horse. Now it will be black's turn to move, and black will be exhibiting how to use the tactic in this example. Black would have similar material, one chariot, one horse, one cannon, a full guard, but only 2 pawns, and the extra red pawn is quite a major threat. But in this board, red would start his attack with, black would be first to move, and black would start his attack with h2 plus 4 to counter the any possible capture. Now, at this point in time, it would appear to be a very good idea for red to play r8 plus 1 to pin the horse and chariot on the same rank. And red will be prepared to play c9 minus 4 to gain material. However, this would be a blunder. In actual fact, this would be a terrible blunder because black would be able to use the tactic of dislodging material that is not in direct contact and gain a superior position. Now, in this situation, instead of playing r8 plus 1, the sound move would be to play r8 equals to 7, and red would still have a slight advantage with the pawn going to the final stages of the game. But with r8 plus 1, black would play c3 plus 2, advancing the cannon to the riverbank, which is protected by the elephant. Now, this is a very powerful move in the sense that red would be forced to move the chariot away. If not, if let's say, for example, if red made another move, black would go for h4 plus 5 to even the pawn disadvantage, and then go for discovered check, capturing the chariot. And the presence of the chariot and 2 pawns would be more than threatening to red's pieces at this point in time. The cannon is vulnerable to attack because it is trapped, and usually it would be best for red to move the cannon back to his own camp at this point. But there will be many possible tactics for black to continue, and the presence of the central pawn that would charge across the river would mean that black would actually have a winning position at this point in time. So that is why red would be forced to retreat his chariot to safety, and as can be seen, black would now attack with h4 plus 6. Now black will be prepared to play h4 plus 5 and to deliver a check, to capture the elephant and deliver a check and attack, and black would have seized the initiative away from red after this move. And originally, at the beginning of the board, red would actually have the initiative, but after making a blunder with r8 plus 1, black would have turned the tables. And this is quite a nice example of using the tactic of ambushing enemy material that's not in direct contact and turning the tables around. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep doing the videos, which I like them very much. Thank you, and please do remember to subscribe.